Hi everyone, my name is Akindipe Aderayo and I'm a makeup artist popularly known as Adeoge, and I'm also a student. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you on how to use your foundation, how to blend well, and how to choose the right shade for you. And I'm sure you must have known how to draw your brows, how to do your eyeshadows and your lashes, because I've done that off camera. Okay, so I'll start by showing you the different shades of foundation. This is Zaron Cosmetics, a Nigerian brand, Zikel, a Nigerian brand, and this is L'Oreal True Match. So these are three different foundation shades. You know your foundation shades through your neck. You check by applying a little bit of your foundation on your neck. This is too light for me, so I'll take another shade of foundation. Okay, so these are three different shades of foundation on my hand. This is the first one, so I try applying it. It's definitely too light for me. Then I take the next one, which is the one in the middle. Okay, this looks like almost my shade. Then I take this last one. I think this is the perfect one for me. Okay, so I found my perfect match, and I would start applying my foundation. When you want to apply your foundation, you either use your beauty blender or your foundation brush. Your beauty blender or your foundation brush. But I really love using my beauty blender. But what I noticed was that beauty blenders absorb a lot of your foundation. So if you are trying to be economical and trying to save your foundation from getting finished easily, you use your brush first. So I'll apply my foundation with my brush first. Then I start from this lower part. Then I use my beauty blender to blend the foundation well. Then I'll apply my foundation again to the upper part. I use my beauty blender to dab it well into my skin. Blend well and make it sink so well into your skin. You can hardly differentiate between my skin and my foundation because it is well blended well. I'm adding more foundation because I want a better coverage. If you feel like your foundation is too light, because there are different kind of foundation, a full coverage, a very light coverage, and a very light one. So you just build up the foundation. If you feel like it's too light for you, continue adding to build it up to your satisfaction. Okay, so I'm adding more because I want it to be more than this. Now, can you see the difference between this face and this face? This face almost looks like my skin, like perfect already. But this is my real skin, but still perfect. Blend well. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines, and it is well blended now. Okay, my foundation is now well blended. I hope you learned something today. And before I go, I want to tell you a trick I used. After getting my shade of foundation, I made sure my beauty blender was a little bit damp. Like I added a little water to it to make it easier for me to blend. Don't add too much water, just a little bit water. Then make sure you blend well. Blending is the key. If you don't blend well, it's not going to come out well. You need to blend well. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. I'll be back to teach you more. Thank you. Bye.